Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card on Windows 11. Knowing which graphics card is installed on your computer can be useful for gaming, troubleshooting display issues, updating drivers, or checking hardware specifications. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu icon and open Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on Display. Now scroll down and select Advanced Display. In the Advanced Display section, click on Display Adapter Properties. A new window will appear showing detailed information about your graphics adapter. Next, click on the Adapter tab. Under Adapter Type, you'll see the name of the graphics card installed on your computer. You can also check the dedicated video memory or adapter memory section to see how much graphics memory is available. For example, this system has 4 GB of graphics memory. And that's it. That's one of the easiest ways to check your graphics card information on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.